Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Apps. Now click on App Cloner over here and click on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Facebook. Then tap on gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now you can adjust those two options however you want to, like when using quick functions or renaming cloned app. When you're finished, hit save and tap on the home button. So now when I go to check for my cloned app, I can see that it's over here. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Switcher next to Create App Clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!